Hi builders, welcome to the Social Proof tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I'm your success coach, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add the social proof to your e-learning so that the person that register for the e-learning will be added to the subscribers in your social proof app. So right here we are on the e-learning that I've already created, and you will see under the registration and protection area we already have it as registration required to view content. And if we scroll down until we see social proof settings, you will see that you can click on add a new social proof campaign by clicking on this button, and I'm going to show you what I mean. And I'm going to click OK. The problem with this is you still need to go to the social proof app to go configure the rest. So it's always a good idea to make sure that you set up your social proof campaign before you go into your e-learning. So for this example, let's go back to the social proof, and I'm just going to refresh my page here, and you're going to see that the testing one is sitting right here at the top, and you still need to go and edit it. Now, because we've already created something previously, you're going to see we've got one that's sitting right here with a ghost record. And if I click on the edit campaign, I have decided not to have a person sent to a different URL because I just want to use it as a social proof app. There's no payment that needs to be taken place. I'm going to send a person to the registration page to prompt the people that fall onto that page to also register. So that is the scenario in this case. You can choose to have a URL right there, but then you're probably going to have to send the people away from the registration page and it will not be collected. So in this case, we are just going to leave it like that. And we are going to go back to the e-learning, and we're going to choose the campaign. And you can see we've got Builderall, which is the one right here that we've created. And then the page that you wanted to be shown in your e-learning, you can have either the home page, the FAQ, the login page, or the registration page. So it depends on which page you are going to send them to. So for this example, let's say we're going to make use of the registration page. We are going to send the traffic to the registration page, and we want to prompt them with these ghost users that we've already created and other users that are signed up to participate and register. So that is what we've done right there. We're going to click on save. And then I'm going to grab the embedded codes. I'm using the direct link because I'm not going to send them now into a website or something. And I'm just adding it in the URL at the top because we need to test this. And then I'm going to click on the register button. So this is the register page, as you can see. We need to give some time for the pop-up to appear at the bottom left-hand side because that is what we said. And it's around 10 seconds that the ghost user will come up for us now because that's the one that we've created previously. And right there you can see registered for this course. If you had to add a link there, you could have clicked on it and it would have gone to a different place. But we want the person to register. That is why we've got the social proof there. So let's go and type in our details. And then we add a password. And we're going to create an account. So what's happening now, account has been created. It's inside of the course. But let's go take a look at the social proof at what has happened. So I'm going to close that. And I'm going to go back to the social proof and I'm going to refresh my page. And you're going to see the subscriber sitting right there. To view the subscriber, you're just going to go to this little icon that says show records. And you're going to see there is the subscriber being added. So what's going to happen next is when a person goes to that page again, it's going to show the ghost records as well as the newly records that's been added as people are subscribing. And that is how you will make use of it in the e-learning. I would urge you to also go and take a look at the other videos below this video to learn more about integration in other parts of our tools. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you at another. Bye.